Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip muffins using only a toaster oven. The toaster oven I'll be using in this video is one I purchased from Amazon, and it's by a brand called Dash. I'll link the products down below in case you want to purchase the same. To start off, I'm going to cream together 1 cup of sugar with a ½ cup of melted butter. With my butter and sugar mixed, I'm now going to beat in 2 eggs. I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm now going to add in about 1 cup of flour and a ½ cup of milk. Stir that. And with that totally mixed, I'm going to add in the other 1 cup of flour. So with all those ingredients mixed, I'm going to add in about a cup of my favorite Enjoy Life chocolate chips. Now I'm going to preheat my toaster oven to 425 degrees. I also have a tray of 4 silicone muffin liners that I've sprayed with olive oil spray. I'm going to take a scoop of batter and place it in each one. With my toaster oven preheated and my muffins set to go, I'm going to pop them in there and bake them for 12 minutes, and then decrease the temperature to 400 degrees and bake them for another 7 to 12 minutes. Once the muffins are totally cooked, you just pop them out of your toaster oven and let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it! These are chocolate chip muffins that I made in a deep toaster oven. If you're not already, subscribe to Muffins Baking, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!